The soul, the mind, the body behind this conclave was truly Mr. G.P. Singh, our director, QCFI, and DGM Instrumentation, Bhilai Steel Plant. We now arrive at our awards presentation ceremony. May I now request Mr. A.K. Mittal, QCFI India President, to come on the stage to hand over the mementos. We Control Systems Private Limited to come onto the dais and accept a small token of affection from QCFI. Mr. Shailesh Sharma or anybody from Credence Automation and Control Systems Private Limited. I request Mr. Sumit Razdan, Emerson Process Management Private Limited. Yeah, please come. From Emerson Process Management Private Limited. They are sponsors in gold category. For next gold, I request Mr. Ankit Gupta from Advanced Power Controls Limited. Mr. Ankit Gupta from Advanced Power Controls Limited, please. In the gold category. Thank you so much, sir. The gold sponsor, Credence Automation and Control Systems. Mr. Shailesh is not there, so a representative is coming. Yeah. Thank you so much. For the next gold category, I request Abhijit Chatterjee from Adage Automation Private Limited to please come over. Mr. Abhijit Chatterjee. In the gold category, next person to be invited is from Bosch Rexroth India, Sachin Kulkarni ji. Please come. I request our respected DD Works, Mr. Y.K. Degan, to please come to the dais and take the seat, sir. As a token of appreciation for the gold sponsor, I think Mr. Sachin Kulkarni from Bosch Rexroth India. Next is our sponsor in silver category from Abhitech Energycon Limited, Mr. Arkat Bhushan. Please. From Abhitech Energycon Limited. Silver sponsor again from Schneider Electric, Ms. Nabita, I request to come over. From Schneider Electric. Anybody from Schneider Electric? You are from Schneider, sir? And the silver sponsor from Fossil India Private Limited, Mr. K.G. Venkateshan, I request you, sir, to please come over. Mr. K.G. Venkateshan from Fossil India Private Limited, our silver sponsor. And the silver sponsor from Mr. Simplex, Mr. Sudipta Chatterjee, I request you, sir, to come over, please. Mr. Chatterjee from Simplex. Anybody else is there? Okay, I don't think they are there. We are grateful to Messrs. BEC, that is Bhilai Engineering Corporation Limited, to sponsor the lunch. I welcome Dr. R.K. Shukla to receive a memento on behalf of BEC. Dr. R.K. Shukla. Anybody else from BC? Please, Mr. Sengupta is coming. Thank you, sir. BC has sponsored the lunch. So we thank you, sir, on behalf of BC as well. Again, we are highly obliged to Messrs. ABB India Limited to host the dinner. I welcome Mr. Animesh Sengupta to receive a memento on behalf of the organization, ABB. ABB, our sponsor for the dinner tonight. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. There were 18 stalls, and I believe most of us have visited all those stalls. And out of this, we had panel of judges. 3 judges were there, moving around all the stalls, and the result has come out. I request our President QCFI Bhilai Chapter and ED Works Sale DSP, Shri Vaiky Degan sir, to hand over the prizes. So please. So the third prize will start from the other side, other order. Third prize. It goes to Messrs. Bombay Fluid Components Private Limited. Messrs. Bombay Fluid Components Private Limited. Congratulations. Please come over. It was the best stall prize, and the third prize has gone to Bombay Fluid Components Private Limited. Second prize has been won by Messrs. Metex Engineers. Messrs. Metex Engineers. Anybody there? From Messrs. Metex? Yeah, please come. Congratulations. And the best stall award, that the first prize, goes to, any guess? Messrs. Bhilai Engineering Corporation Limited, that is PEC. I request the entire team to come over because it has been a team effort, and the first prize, as our judges, they have judged you. The first prize is won by BC Bhilai. Congratulations. Besides the stall and all the technical papers, we had poster presenters also with us. I request Mr. B.C. Mandal, AGM CAPSP Cocoons, to come over and receive the memento. Mr. B.C. Mandal, Mr. B.D. Babu, DGM Blast Furnaces, CAPSP, please come over, sir. The token of appreciation from our side, sir, please come. Thank you so much. Mr. B.D. Babu, DGM Blast Furnace. Congratulations to both the poster presenters. We are also highly indebted to our delegates who have come all the way from Finland to be part of this conclave. Request Mr. Timo Kronqvist, CEO, Prima Metals Technologies, Finland. Mr. Timo is there? Mr. Timo. Mr. Ilmari Vejola, MD PCS Solutions, Finland. Please come. We are happy that you came all the way from Finland to attend this conclave. The token of appreciation from QCFI. Thank you, sir. Timo is not there. And last but not the least, as in the morning it has been mentioned by my colleagues, that every stall was having the drop box where you have dropped your card. So let's see who are the 7 lucky lucky delegates, I'll call lucky delegates, who will be chosen, who will be selected. For this, I request Mr. Joharkar, VP, ABB. Sir, please come over and help us in selecting the... Mr. Timo, please come. Mr. Timo has come. Yes, Mr. Timo has come all the way from Finland, and it's a token of appreciation. We thank you, sir, for coming all the way for attending our conference. Thank you so much. Mr. Joharkar is there. I request Mr. SPS. Mr. Joharkar is there? Yeah, please come, sir. And kindly help me, can we get those? Yeah, please. So you have to select 7 visiting cards from the drop box. Mr. A.R. Sontake, Deputy Chief Fire Officer, University Plant. Then Mr. Narayan Panigrahi from Sarda Energy and Minerals Limited. He is not there. Price अभी दे दे, एक साथ दे दे. Yeah. I request Degan sir to give away the prizes. That's Mr. Sontake. Reji Matai is there from JSW Steel. Reji Matai. Mr. L. Umakant. Mr. L. Umakant. Mr. Anshuman Paul from Adage Automation Private Limited. Is there? Mr. Anshuman Paul is there? Yeah, please come. Thank you, sir. Mr. Chintan is there? Mr. Chintan V. Chotai from Credence. Mr. Chintan? Yeah, please come. That's from Emerson. Mr. Chintan, please come. Mr. Nitin Dhanore from Emerson. Mr. Narayan Panigrahi is there from Sarda. Mr. Narayan. Okay, I'll drop that. I'll take Mr. Ashwini Prasad from Bomber. Mr. Ashwini is there? Raise your hand, please. Yeah. Congratulations to all the delegates who won the surprise gift. I'm sure that they will be the happiest. Without doing anything and with cheer, they want this. Just by visiting the stores and I think that, okay. See, for the stores, they have to struggle. For the technical sessions, they have to struggle. Even for the organizing team, they have to struggle. But we are the sheer winners and the most lucky people. Okay. So with this, we come to an end to this formal session. Now, we'll be moving towards a small cultural program by the students of Nritya Dham, and it is run by Srimati Rakhi Roy, and they are from Bhilai. Most of you must be knowing them. So let's see how these children are going to rejuvenate us from this day-long program. Most of us are tired. Let's see how we are going to enjoy that. I hope and I'm sure that you will enjoy it.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate QCFI to organize such a wonderful program and a theme which is always new, and as theme itself does not have a finish line. So whatever you do, there is always a possibility to do better, and it remains as a continuous process. I would also like to congratulate Mr. Degan, who got the award for being the corporate leader for the party. While talking about Bhilai, what you said in the morning, I start feeling as if I am still here. Though I left Bhilai Steel Plant 20 years back, way back in 1995 January. But when I come over here, I still feel that this is the place. And one thing I would like to say about Bhilai, I think right from 87 or 88 onwards, irrespective of who left or who joined, who was at the top or who was at the working levels, the Bhilai, I think, the data should also must be like that, has never looked back. It has only progressed and progressed. And that is possibly, I'm saying this because I have also been to, like she said, to various companies, including the private sector, the public sector was only this, and other part of the world. I feel the culture which I have seen at Bhilai Steel Plant as a unit of steel has been wonderful. And coming out of Bhilai for a moment, there have been a lot of good things which has happened in today's program. Of course, it is nothing happens without a good organization and without good thinking about it. So bringing the senior corporate persons who can take to a certain extent the decisions, bringing the technologists, engineers and all who do understand the problems and the way forward, and also bringing the technology suppliers, because some of the things which have been presented today, maybe they were there for quite some time in the industry, but I think they can do wonderful things for the processes to get better. And processes getting better means cost getting controlled. There were a lot of good ideas from Mr. Bhanti, from Mr. Rajiv Bhatnagar, who though took little longer, but I think he touched almost all part of what the steel business is. And whatever little bit was left, I think Mr. Naha also covered today about infrastructure, about the mines, about the ports and all. So I think a lot of information which has been shared. However, one thing which I said in this plenary session where I was also there, everything comes down to how competitive we are in terms of quality, in terms of cost, and of course environment and safety goes without saying, because the whole world or whole city is not going to suffer because we are making steel. And similarly, safety, if there's one fatality in one family, for that family it's everything gone. So these two things go without saying. But on terms of cost, unless we are competitive, like a few days back I got some article done by the bankers, which was talking about the steel produced. I think everyone knows about the steel that I think last calendar year China produced about 822 million and the rest of the world only 814 million. But if you look at the inventories which they are carrying at their warehouses, it is as low as 3.5%, including the long and flat products. Whereas there are countries which are not producing even 1/8 of that, but their inventories are almost comparable. This they could do only because they are so competitive that even if they will take some hit for some quantities, they would not like to cut down their productions. In addition to that, for us, the other challenge which is also coming up with the ruble and all, so a lot of steel may come, and these are the countries who are quite self-sufficient for their raw materials. So if they wish, they are big enough, so that increases the challenge for the steel fraternity. This kind of program definitely are highly informative, educative, and I think there was a question which everybody will be answering, but once a year could be a suggestion from my side also, because I find things to be much more sharing with others. And though it was told in the morning that though we are competitors, see, we may be competitors, but when you talk about the cost, and if you are talking about the cost is basically when you lose, you can't make the steel. I think the differences between the iron points is very less. It's the energy which counts. And energy wise, if one company is not sharing with the other within the country, ultimately it is lost to the nation. And looking at the broader perspective, it is lost to the world. Ultimately, we are also talking about the environment as all of us in totality. So energy loss is also somewhere affecting the environment. This is what I felt, but I feel really good after attending this program because a lot of informations and meeting a lot of good people. Thank you.